Hey everybody, it's Jay-Z Crazy here. I'm in the car waiting for Lisa, and there'll be a fun Jay-Z Crazy coming up in a couple minutes. Holy shit, look at all the birds on the power lines. Man, if there's a power surge, there's gonna be a lot of fried birds. Holy shit. Look, you can't even barely see the power lines. It's just all a line of birds.
Yep. Oh, look, they're moving over for each other. That's funny. Look, they're doing the wave.
That's crazy. Birds are going nuts. Look at that power line. It's solid birds. It's crazy. We're being attacked by birds. Help! Help!
Stop that. They're not attacking us.
Oh yeah, that's right. We're in the car. Oh my god.
Even though we're in the car, they can still
You
try.
crazy motherfucking birds. Look at you. That's an insane amount of birds.
Well, if they get electrocuted, you understand why.